Hey guys, so quick video. If you own a Cuisinart air fryer, I was looking on how you can possibly fix the issue, like what can be done. Now the thing is that with this product, when I was like looking for Reddit and everywhere that people would have it, is that this problem is that yes, you can try to fix it by unplugging it and leaving it and try to plug it back in. And this is like the first solution, or you can use a different outlet. But to be honest, if you're gonna like try to do the power cycling and it's not going to work out, then I just held the function knob at about 330, a little past where it naturally stops. After a few attempts where the power light flickered, it turned on and stayed on. Now it works like normal. So this is something I found on Reddit. Maybe it's going to help. I don't think that it's going to help, to be honest. But maybe it's just like over with the product. So just want to make this like a quick video for you. And I hope it actually like gonna work in the future and you're gonna find a way how to fix it.